guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Merlissa if you're new here, and if you didn't see by the title, I'm gonna walk you guys through my hair tutorial using Arctic Fox today. They sent me over a box of color, and Arctic Fox truly is my go-to every time I color my hair. So I'm really excited to get this color in my head. Yesterday I already bleached my roots all around, and that's a process on its own. So typically I take 2 days to do my hair color. The first day is bleaching, letting it air dry, and then the next day is the turquoise aquamarine mermaid blue. If you couldn't tell, I have not had my coffee. I'm still waking up from the morning and I haven't really started my day. I just have so much to do today. So I woke up, threw on a little makeup, and I'm ready to just get this hair colored so I can get on with my day. So I might gain more energy while doing this video. So if you haven't heard about Arctic Fox, they're a hair color company and they donate a portion of their proceeds to animal charities, which I love. And this is not sponsored at all. This was just gifted to me, and they're always my go-to color brand. So you can almost always assume that I have Arctic Fox in my hair. So they sent my favorite shades. We have Aquamarine, Iris Green, and our Arctic Fox diluter. So before I start mixing, I'm gonna go ahead and separate my hair into sections and start making my formula. Now that we're sectioned off, let's get the color mixed. And I always throw on some gloves because the color does stain if you don't have any gloves on. Even when I'm rinsing my hair, I'm always wearing the gloves. Okay, so what I'm using is the Aquamarine, the diluter, the Iris Green with some conditioner, and then I like to add in a bond builder every time I color my hair. So that's totally up to you and what your preference is. But I'm just gonna start by putting in the Aquamarine first. We have our color mixed. Finally, I almost forgot the conditioner because I was so focused on filming, but it's all mixed and ready to go. And then some of these clips are gonna be vertical because I'm also filming for TikTok, so feel free to hang out with me on TikTok too. Okay, so I'm gonna throw a cape on because I don't wanna get color everywhere. And then I already have a trash bag on the floor. Typically I do this in the bathroom, but for filming, there's so much more light in here, and I want you guys to kind of see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm gonna prep everything real quick, and then we're just gonna start coloring. I have this little backwards bib, they call them, from Fraymar, and these are really, really helpful when it comes to coloring the back of your hair, especially because mine is super long. I don't want it to just be sitting there on top of my cape. So I'm gonna throw this on. It just ties just like that. There we go. And I'm actually gonna put my cape on backwards because I'm just gonna be working my way from back to front and just throwing everything behind me. And I actually did this backwards because I was supposed to put the cape on first and then the plastic cape, but it's okay. We got this. All right, so it'll look just like this. And without further ado, we're gonna get started. And I have to take really small sections, so this is probably gonna take me like an hour to do. So I'm gonna kind of fast forward this so we don't keep you waiting. How convenient, my battery died. So we did get that quadrant done. And then I started on this quadrant. We're gonna jump back into it. All right, we made it to the front, so this is gonna go pretty quickly, and then I'm gonna let it process for about 20 to 30 minutes, rinse it, and then style it. So we are finished here. I'm gonna go rinse this off. As you can see, I got messy and I figured, why not just keep going? I'm in a time crunch today, so I'm gonna go let this sit, probably make some coffee so I can wake up, and I'll be back to show you the final result. Here's the final result. I did not use any heat on it. These are my natural waves. I wanted to just kind of let it air dry and be healthy, but I'm really happy with the result. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And of course, if you have any other hair questions, feel free to ask. I love talking about hair. But that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful for you, or maybe even inspires you to throw some color in your hair. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.